Right, morning boys, mums and dads. Just when you thought you got rid of me, here I am in front of the classroom. Alright, an empty classroom, but hopefully you'll be able to follow this at home. Okay? Alright, we have done perimeter before, so there is no excuses for you not being able to do this work. So it's a bit of a recap lesson. At the end of it, our IT expert has been able to upload some worksheets for you. They go from easy to medium to hard. Have a go at all three and see how far you get. Alright, to start with, alright, we are going to do a lesson on perimeter. So the learning objective, or your WALT, we are learning to, is to calculate the perimeter of 2D shapes. The definition of a perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of any 2D shape. Alright, so the examples that I'm going to give you, and there are 9 in total, alright, and we'll sort of do this together. See if you can beat me to the answer as I go through them. Okay, so if I was to ask you to calculate the perimeter of a square, and I was to give that square a distance on each face, each side, of 3 centimetres, okay? The way that I want you to calculate it is using the column addition that we've used in your addition work when you are adding, is to simply put 4 sides, so you've got 4 3s, therefore the perimeter in centimetres, please make sure that you get the right units, is 3 add 3 add 3 add 3, quite simply 12 centimetres. Okay, so that's as simple as working out a perimeter is the distance around a 2D shape in whatever units you've got, and in this one it's centimetres. Okay, so if we look at a rectangle, and I give those distances again in centimetres. Okay, then the perimeter of a rectangle, using your column addition, so all of these are in a column, you've got P equals in centimetres, and you are adding those up. Now the one thing to remember, boys, okay, is you've got a line of units and a line of tens. So when you've got, alright, double digits like 10, the 5s go in the units, the 10s, alright, are in the tens column and the units column. Don't mix those up, otherwise you'll get the wrong answers. Okay, so please make sure that they are in the right column. Adding those up, 5 add 5, 0 and 0 is 10. Put 0 down, carry the 1, you all know how to do that. 1 add 1 add 1. So the perimeter of that rectangle is 30 centimetres. Okay. We can do triangles, we can do an equilateral triangle, which you should all know that all sides are the same length. And if we do that at 7 centimetres, you've got 7, add 7, add 7, P equals, I'll give you a moment to try and work that out, 7 add 7 add 7, and for those that are correct, you've got 21 centimetres. A right angle triangle. Think what a right angle triangle looks like? The right angle's there, therefore this side, we'll call that 8 centimetres, and this one 10 centimetres. Remember to put it in the columns all the way around the edge making sure that everything's in the right unit of centimetres. 8 add 8 is 16, add 0 is still 16. 6 down, carry your 1, okay. 1 add 1 is 2, you've got 26 centimetres. Okay, alright. The next ones I want you to try and work out yourselves. You can do these with your parents in your head. A hexagon, and we'll put that at 5 centimetres. All the faces are the same length on a hexagon. You try and work out that one. A kite. We'll make that that distance. Pentagon. A trapezium. These are all the 2D shapes that we've learnt about in the past. And a parallelogram. And we'll make this one a little bit more challenging. Okay, so we've got 5 examples and 5 to have a go at yourself on a piece of paper. Besides that, there is some work to upload for some further work on perimeters. Have a go, see what you think, and hopefully I'll see you very soon.